Thank you a lot, friends, for showing interest in my YouTube channel. And I guarantee you, after watching this video, you will be able to draw this type of flowers very easily. This is in real time, so watch till the end and don't skip the video. First, I make yellow color, mix the yellow color and watery mixture. Then I am drawing the petals. First petal I draw very lightly. When I am drawing the petals with watercolor, I am trying to make the petals in the shape of a leaf, and at the first attempt, whatever the petals I am able to paint, I am very satisfied with that, and don't overworking the painting. Don't overwork. At first attempt, whatever you can paint, that is the most beautiful. Trust your brush, trust your paint, and just confident and lightly paint the flower petals. No need to draw the petals in a shape of a leaf. You can make any shape you like. It's organic flower, so any shape you can draw. Try to practice drawing flower petals, 10 flower petals a day. After 7 days you will see you can draw more beautiful flower than this. So this is lightly I'm drawn. I paint the petal. Now I'll add red color in the middle to bring depth, and draw some lines of red color at the middle also. It will bring some depth and the flower will look realistic. I'm taking more red color, deep red color, and touching the deep red color, and the color is blending in the flower petals, looking it gorgeous. The yellow and red color, beautiful bright flower I am painting. Hope you are enjoying it. Now I will start drawing the leaves with a very watery and light green mixture I will make in the plate. Very watery and light green, and I will draw a transparent leaf. So now dabbing the brush and picking it up, and this is how I draw the leaf. A light watery leaf, white background you can see. Now we'll add a light green to the flower, which will add a depth, more depth to the leaf. Light green. I'm making wet the dried light green color, and then just touching at the beginning of the leaf, and making a drawing a line of green, and making and kept white in the middle, looking it more realistic and adding more depth. With the color and water in my brush, I draw on the leaf. Now I will add a yellow highlight. the start and the end of the leaf, making it more alive. Now we'll create a mixture of dark green, making a dark green mixture, and slowly with barely touching the paper and slide the brush and create the stem lightly. Now making the leaf, dabbing the brush and I'll continue to paint the remaining part of the drawing. Continue to watch and draw and paint with me. I hope you will like this. Now I'll draw a red color flower. This is my first English uh, translated voiceover. I make one video in Bengali language, which is my native. You can watch that. That will give you more. If you understand Bengali, that will help you learn more easily. So forgive me because I can't explain. If I can't explain well in English, now you can see add a dark green leaf, a bright green leaf I paint, and now after that I will highlight some bright green at the end of the leaf also, in the beginning also. So now it becoming more alive and adding more depth. Just giving some touch of the light green everywhere. Just that is all, friends. Now I'll spread some red color over the painting and see with my fingers like this. That's I'll spread some more color with fingers. It will look good if I spray some color over my painting. Hope you like it, friends. If you are in Bengali speaker, then watch my Bengali video which I made previous day. It will be helpful. Thank you, friends. Enjoy and subscribe to my channel and like also if possible.